Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best camping gas stove that's perfect for outdoor cooking and adventure. Whether you're hiking, camping, or backpacking, this stove will be your best friend in the wild. Let's get started. Product features: durable construction. The Pakawun camping gas stove is built from high-strength alloy, making it incredibly durable for outdoor use. It's tough enough to handle heat, weather, and repeated use, giving campers peace of mind that it will perform every time, no matter the conditions. Enhanced safety features. Safety matters, especially in the wild. This stove's gas delivery pipe is made of all-woven steel wire, which protects it from damage and prevents gas leaks. This means you can cook confidently, knowing your camping setup is safe and reliable. Stability under pressure. No need to worry about wobbly pots. The Pakawun stove's sturdy design supports heavier cookware without tipping over. This is perfect for cooking larger meals or when you need to use multiple pots and pans at once. Compact and lightweight. When you're on the move, every ounce counts. This stove is portable and lightweight, making it super easy to carry in your backpack. You'll have no trouble packing it for hiking trips or long camping adventures. Versatile cooking options. Whether you're boiling water, frying breakfast, or simmering a stew, this stove has you covered. It works with different gas canisters and supports multiple cooking methods, making it your go-to cooking tool outdoors. Pros: durable and long-lasting build. Excellent safety features. Stable base for heavier cookware. Portable and lightweight design. Versatile cooking performance. Cons: requires compatible gas canisters. Best performance in moderate weather. Not ideal for ultra-high altitude cooking. Final thoughts: if you're looking for a durable, safe, and portable gas stove for camping, the Pakawun camping gas stove is a top choice. It combines strength, versatility, and convenience, making it perfect for outdoor cooking adventures. Cook like a pro anywhere you go. Check the price link in the description and grab yours today. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more great outdoor gear product tips.